Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video to any of you guys trying to find the windshield wipers, fuses and relays on that generation Jeep Cherokee from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it. By the way, if you guys need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Lucky for us, the windshield wipers, fuse, relays are located in a fuse box that's very familiar. Most people know about it, but there is a hidden fuse box as well. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel. It's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. It's a video people told us saved them a lot of trouble. We need to go ahead and open the hood, and the moment that you guys open the hood facing the engine now here, you see this is on the driver's side. Behind the car battery you have that fuse box. Press the tabs together, lift the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's guys explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Guys, let's explain what you can expect to find the windshield wipers, fuses and relays. We come in that row of fuses here, right? You see that fuse? Now, if you come here, that fuse on top, that's fuse number 54, 53, 52. This is the passenger side of the vehicle, that's towards the windshield side. 52, that fuse 52 will be the one that you will need to check 30 amp fuse. What about a relay? You don't have relay. You have the body control module, the BCM, responsible for the relay function. So that fuse is known as a relay fuse. That will be the only thing that you need to check. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.